Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Priyanka Das. I'm from Assam. I did my UG from Guwahati Medical College in Assam itself. I got a rank of 278 and category rank 7 in AIIMS June 2020. So here I am. I would like to share my journey from 22K to 278 in AIIMS examination. First of all, I would like to thank the entire DAMS faculty from the bottom of my heart to helping me dream big and inculcating the belief in me that everything and anything is possible if you are capable of dreaming big. My journey with DAMS started last year. In 2019, after completing my internship, I joined DAMS Gautam Nagar in the regular batch 3. And from then on, I have been with DAMS ever since. DAMS is the first coaching institute where I got myself admitted into, and I gave my first AIIMS examination in November 2019, where I secured a rank of 22K, which was very not that good, but I kept on studying with a belief that I can do it someday. And then followed by my NEET results in 2020, NEET 2020, where I got a 10K rank, which was very disheartening for me. And at that point, I had no clue what to do next, because I really expected a lot for my preparation. Looking at my preparation, so at that point of time, I contacted Dr. Deepti ma'am, Dr. Sumer sir, Dr. Rajiv Dhawan sir, Dr. Sachin Arora sir, and Dr. Siddharth sir, who were genuine, who were there for me all throughout and guided me in the best possible way. And all of them advised me to join AIIMS TND, and that is what I did subsequently. And I just decided that whatever seat I get through the NEET, I will take it a chance and just go and try for AIIMS. So I started my TND from 5th of February, and the moment I started my journey, and there was no looking back. Now, many of you have been asking me regarding my strategy and the source from where I read everything. So since I'm not able to reply all of you individually, so I would like to say that DAMS is the only source from where I have studied everything. And my DAMS notes, only class notes that I have made during the classes, that's the golden treasure, I would like to say, which has helped me immensely during my entire preparation. And the TND sessions, DAMS e-medicos provides so many things, and that is what I followed blindly with all my faith and belief. So here is my strategy that I would like to share. I would love to share, in fact. The day I started preparing for my AIIMS examination, I took a sheet of paper, I wrote all my goals in 5 lines, and I took that paper and pasted it in front of the wall above my table, so that I can see it every day, every time whenever I get demotivated. So that's what kept me going. Then regarding the schedule, so I went along with the TND schedule. And first of all, whatever subject is being scheduled on a particular week, first of all, I would see the eMedico's AIIMS capsule. I get the important points while reading the note, followed by my notes. While reading the notes, I used to put special emphasis and focus specially in the topics that had been said in the eMedico's AIIMS capsule. Then I give my test, followed by the discussion part, and then again, after coming back the next day, I used to revise it thoroughly. And I followed this routine, this cycle for every subject, following every week. And I made sure that like Dr. Deepti ma'am and Dr. Sumer sir used to advise that give GT so that you can check your progress. So I made sure I keep a GT day every week. So every week I used to keep a GT day. I give my GT, I see the videos, and whichever subjects I'm weak, I used to put special emphasis on that weak subject of mine, and I repeat this cycle. I have been repeating this cycle until the exam. So, and the things that I studied is my notes, which are, as I said, is a treasure and gold for any students aspiring to get into any institute. Followed by The e-medicos provides so many things for AIIMS specially, and that is the AIIMS capsule, the DAMS infectious disease course, the emergency medicine, the DVT, and all the question papers. And whenever these are the things that I have been repeating multiple times, just I cannot see the exact count, which many of you have been asking me, the number of revisions, how to complete when to complete the first revision. So it, like say, it depends on person to person, that how much time you take for the first revision or second revision. There is nothing, I never followed that sort of first second revision. I just made sure that I made a routine, and I made sure that I have to complete it within this period of time, and I just made sure that I have to give at least 4 to 5 revisions before my exam. But I guess I give a lot more than that, because with every read, the subsequent, the time gets, like, you get lesser and lesser amount, you need lesser and lesser amount of time to do the revisions. So I guess I did a lot of revisions. And with the GTs that I gave, that has helped me a lot to analyze and assess my progress, and it was always a rising curve, and that has given me the extra boost and the motivation to carry on with my preparation. And yes, definitely Deepthi ma'am and Dr. Sumer sir and Dr. Deepthi ma'am have always been there to reply instantly to all my queries and all the problems that I faced. And doctors and ma'am and sir's podcasts has helped me to keep on going and continue my preparation at my lowest. And many of you have even asked me regarding how I tackled the situation during the lockdown. The only thing that I did is that instead of looking at the negativities, I just focused more on the positive side. And whatever may be your circumstances, I believe positivity is very, very important. And yes, definitely the lockdown is what I took it as a blessing for me, since I had nobody to distract me or deviate me from my goal. And secondly, that very unusual thing that happened this year is that I got an extra month, which was indeed a blessing in disguise for me. And I believe this path has been created by God to help me achieve my dream. And of course, DAMS has always been the main support system. And secondly, I would like to thank my family and my friends who has supported me all throughout in my journey, and uh, never let me stop whenever I felt demotivated. I would like to thank my parents, my mom, my dad, my friends, Minakshi, Suhani, for helping me reach where I am today. During the start of the journey, yes, I had a lot of self-doubt that whether it's possible for a 22K ranker, a 10K ranker to get into the top institute of the country. Yes, that doubt has always been in my head in the beginning of the journey, but if you really want to achieve your dream and your goal, then you have to remove all these doubts and limitations. As Sumer sir said, that you have infinite potential, and you can stretch your brain to infinite times and to the infinity. And that is what I put inside my head, and I kept on going, and I had the stern and firm belief that I could do it and I can make it happen. And that's what I did, definitely with everyone's blessings. And just keep on revising your notes multiple times. Do everything that has been provided in the emergency in the DAMS e-medicals, and just keep on repeating it multiple times, and have faith and belief in yourself. And most importantly, every faculty of DAMS works so hard. They put so much of effort for us students to so that everything becomes flawless and effortless for us to learn and achieve our dreams. So that's what kept me going. So even I had to put that extra effort and hard work in it, looking at them. And I always looked up to every faculty of DAMS. Everyone, all of them have inspired me in some way or the other. And Dr. Deepthi ma'am and Dr. Sumer sir are my heroes. I always look up to them, and they have inspired me so much. I thank them from the bottom of my heart. And yes, I would like to say everyone that whenever you are, this journey of yours has to be, you should enjoy the journey of this your examination. Like whatever exam you're preparing for, try to enjoy the journey, because the journey itself says a lot, and when you get into the end result, then you can enjoy it to the fullest. And one thing that I adapted in my preparation phase is that the feeling of filling the void is that whenever I don't feel like studying, I just used to open the eMedico's EQ series, and I just used to listen to it randomly, which has helped me so much, and that is what has helped me do multiple revisions of all the subjects until right before the examination. And I would like to say everyone that nothing is impossible. Just believe in yourself, have that faith, dream, don't fear to dream big. Just dream big and have faith in yourself and be persistent. Yes, if I could do it, any one of you can do it. I would like to wish all of you all the best. And at the end, once again, I would like to thank my mom, my dad, my friends, and everyone who has wished me and blessed me. And at the end, thank you, DAMS, for helping me where I am today. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to my daughter, Dr. Priyanka Das, for securing a seat in AIIMS. In spite of doing a wonderful result in NEET 2020, I am indeed a super proud mother of a wonderful and beautiful daughter. We are so proud of you, my beta. God bless you. Keep it up.
We feel proud the super success of my daughter, dearest daughter Priyanka Das, to get a seat in AIIMS. She always inspires us to be determined and work harder. She has an aim to do better and better, and she has done it. I am so proud, beta, you got selected and got a seat in AIIMS. I would like to thank DAMS Dairy for their guidance to reach the goal of my daughter. I also like to thank all the well-wishers for their blessings in the journey of my daughter. Especially, I would like to thank Dr. Sumer sir, Dr. Dipti ma'am for their inspiring guidance to achieve the goal of my daughter. Thank you all. Thank God. Beta, go high and high. God bless her. God will always help you. God, please help my daughter. Thank you all.